Yo, what up, squad? In this video, we're finally going to have some platforms generating ahead of us. So as the camera moves to the right, there's going to be platforms being created. So in order to do that, we're going to need a generating point, and let's do that by creating a empty game object and renaming it to the generating point, just like that. And we're actually going to make it a child of the main camera, just like that. And we're going to add an icon to it so we know where it's at. I'm going to make mine green, and it should be in front of the camera, just like that. That's going to be good for now. And let's create another empty game object and call it the platform generator. All right. Now we're going to add a component which will be our platform generator script. I'm going to name mine PlatGen for short. Let's open up our script. And we're going to start off by declaring the variables we're going to be using. So we know we need to access a platform in the hierarchy as well as the generating point. So let's say public game object. We're going to call it the plat. And for the generating point, we're going to say public transform, call it the gen point. We're also going to need the width of the platform so we know where to place it. So we're going to say public float, and let's call it the plat width. And we're also going to need to set a distance between the platforms so that they don't get spawned like on top of each other or in random places. So we need to be specific and say public float a minimum distance that the platform should be apart, and we need a maximum distance that we want them apart. All right. And actually right below the gen point, we're going to say public float distance. Okay, and we should be good for now. So let's go to the start method, and we're going to say our plat width is going to be equal to the plat dot get component, which is going to be the box collider that's attached to the platform. Just like that. And we're going to want the size of the width of it, so you want to put X. All right, just like that. And now let's go to the update method. We're going to write an if statement that's going to say if transform dot position dot x. So if the x position is smaller than the generator point, dot position dot x. that. Then we're going to want the distance to be equal to a random dot range. We want it to be random between the minimum distance and the maximum distance. Just like that. And we're going to say transform that position is equal to a new vector 3. That's going to be transform dot position dot x plus the platform width plus the distance. Just like that. And for y value, we're going to say transform dot position dot y, transform dot position dot z. All right, let's go back up here, and we're going to need a reference to the object pooler script. So we need to say public object pooler, say the obj pooler. All right, so now we're going to say game object. We're going to name it new plat. It's going to be equal to the object pooler dot get pooled object. So that's the script. I'm sorry, that's the method we have in the object pooler script. And we're going to say new plat dot transform dot position is equal to transform dot position, and then we're going to say new plat dot transform dot rotation is equal to transform dot rotation. New plat, we want to set it to active. Dot set active true. All right, there you go. Everything looks right. So let's save our script and go back to the Unity. And let's put the script we created in the scripts folder. Now select the platform generator, and the plat is going to be the platform we want to generate. So it's right here. Generating point is going to be the one we created right here. Drag that in. What's the distance you want the platforms to be? I don't know. I'm just going to put 3. Down here, plat width is going to be 3, max 3, 3. And then we'll play around with them. Let's just test it out. And the object pooler, drag it in there. And let's press play and see what happens. Okay, well, you see how they're generating now? And that's exactly what we wanted. All right, so in the next video, we're going to be playing with the distance values, and we're going to have some platforms be higher than the others, and we're going to finally be able to play the game. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.